guys, so I decided to do a 10 facts about me video. I'm not that interesting of a person, but I do want you guys to get to know me a little better since you're obviously watching my videos. So yeah, let's get started. First off, I was born and raised in Los Angeles, California, where I currently live right now. I love it here. Can't see myself wanting to ever move to another area just because, I don't know, I feel like once you grow up in the city, you're most comfortable in the city. Like, I can't imagine moving to the country and being comfortable. There's just something comforting to me knowing that there's like always somebody up. Like if I wake up at like 3 a.m, I'll be like, oh, you know, this place is open, or if I go out, you know, I'll see people out. I don't know. Plus I like how I don't really have to go far for anything. The one thing I do hate though is all the traffic. My drive to work without traffic is like 15 minutes. But when I have to be there in the morning, I get to leave an hour early. Number 2, if you had to guess what race I was, what would it be? Because trust me, I've heard everything. So for those of you who guessed that I am half Filipino, a quarter white, and a quarter Mexican, you are right. Yeah, I grew up speaking Tagalog, but now I only understand it. I cannot speak it. Like, I've tried. I mean, obviously if I spent more time trying to learn, which I haven't had the time. But yeah, I only understand, I don't speak it. But I do love Filipino food. Siopao. And I do not know any Spanish, unfortunately. I did graduate high school a year early. I was actually homeschooled, so I got to just pretty much breeze through high school. I still graduated when I was 17 though, so it wasn't like I graduated super early, but yeah, big whoop. But that brings me to my next fact. Right after I graduated, I was able to go to school, and I now work in the medical field. My whole life I've been pretty interested, actually extremely interested, in doing something with patients or medicine, you know, charts and all that. I don't know, I just loved every aspect of working in medicine. So as much as I strongly dislike the term gamer, on my free time, 99.9% of the time, I am a Keyblade wielder. I was pretty much raised on video games my whole life. I've had the current game system, so, well, my dad's always had them. So I grew up like playing Super Nintendo. Yoshi's Island was my favorite when I was like 4. You know, all those original Mario games, like Overwatch, Smash, KH3. No spoilers. I love to bake. My all-time favorite thing to bake are cake pops. I just love how you can make so many of them and then decorate them really cute and then package them in little packages. But I actually don't really eat them anymore. I'm just so sick of them. Like, as much as I love junk food, I can't like eat the stuff I make anymore. Which brings me to my next fact. I actually work out regularly. I do a full body workout 4 times a week. The only problem is I love food, so you can't really tell. I am actually self-taught at piano. I play by ear. I have tried for the life of me to learn sheet music, and I just cannot. Like, for me, it's faster to just figure it out on my own, honestly, than learning the sheet music. Like, I can listen to a song and just play it with 2 hands. The only thing is I haven't really been playing much because I do not have a piano. I only play when I'm at my parents', and even then I don't really play as much. I played more when I was younger, like summer break at my grandma's house, but I do miss it. Everybody that I've ever been related to that has seen me sleep has said I sleep with my eyes open. When I'm sleeping, I can feel that it's open. Like, not always, but sometimes. But I'm still asleep. Like, I don't know. I can't explain it. It doesn't bother me. So I've got a cat that knows how to use the toilet. His name is Donut. Doing makeup videos and reviews and tutorials has been a passion I never thought I would have. I love it so much. I love the opportunity that social media has given to learn different techniques. That's really inspired and helped me to learn how to do makeup, plus my friends and family have also taught me. I thank you guys for supporting me, even though it might not seem like a lot to you guys. Just the fact that you're watching my videos and maybe learning something just makes me really happy, and like all this makeup I got is for a good reason other than just putting it on my face. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very boring video about just some random person on YouTube, but I appreciate it. So if you want to subscribe, I don't really like asking, but if you can subscribe and like my video, you don't have to like it, I don't want to ask, you can like it. You can like it if you want to like it. But if you can subscribe and follow my Instagram, which is at makeupbyaneia, that's ANEIA, I'd appreciate it. So yeah, thank you for watching. I don't even know if this was 10 facts.